Hello, thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to create anime character out of this platform. So we got water and fire equals steam here, and I'm going to make Goku, by the way. Put plant here, and then put earth here to eventually swamp. We're going to need a swamp here. Here we go, but fire in the swamp, we got dragon. And put this together. We got steampunk. And then earth to create the robot here. And plant to create the cyborg. And then dragon, merge these two together to get Dragon Ball Z. Again, anime. Put some wind in it, and you get Goku. So that's just it. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.